Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back with me, Miss Febri, in our English online class. Today, we are going to continue our material that is still about should and shouldn't. In 2 weeks ago, we have been learned about should and shouldn't in 2 situations. For the first situation is how to use should and shouldn't with giving recommendation or opinion or suggestion, and the second situation, how to use should and shouldn't for an obligation. Di 2 minggu yang lalu, kita sudah belajar tentang bagaimana penggunaan should and shouldn't dalam 2 situasi. Situasi yang pertama yaitu bagaimana penggunaan should and shouldn't dalam memberikan saran, rekomendasi, dan pendapat. Dan situasi yang kedua, bagaimana penggunaan should dan shouldn't dalam melakukan suatu kewajiban. Now, in this time, we still learn about should and shouldn't, but should and shouldn't in continuous tense. So, in the past, we learned about should and shouldn't in the simple present tense, right? Remember about the pattern? Subject plus should or shouldn't and plus verb 1. And now we learn about should and shouldn't in continuous tense. Have you ever learned or have you ever heard about continuous tense? Continuous tense is used for talking about an activity that is still happening or still doing. Jadi, continuous ini digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu aktivitas yang dilakukan atau sedang dilakukan. Now, we are going to talk about should and shouldn't in continuous tense. Should and shouldn't in continuous tense is used to talk about something that expected at the moment or the best thing that to do at the moment. Maksudnya bagaimana sih? Jadi, penggunaan should and shouldn't dalam continuous tense ini digunakan untuk menyatakan suatu harapan atau keinginan yang terjadi di masa yang sedang terjadi, atau hal-hal yang terbaik yang diharapkan pada saat itu terjadi. Do you know what is the pattern? Bagaimana sih polanya? Polanya adalah subject plus should or should not or shouldn't plus be and plus verb and ing. Jadi, polanya adalah subjek diikuti dengan should or shouldn't, diikuti oleh be, dan diikuti oleh verb, dan ditambahkan ing. Remember that continuous adalah kuncinya verb plus ing. Kalau simple menggunakan verb 1. And how to make an example? Subject plus should or shouldn't plus be and plus verb ing. The examples are: I should be eating my lunch. I as a subject, followed by should, and followed by be, and followed by verb ing. Verb ing-nya apa? Yeah, good. Verb ing-nya adalah it followed by ing. The second examples. They shouldn't be inviting their enemies. They shouldn't be inviting their enemies. They as a subject, followed by shouldn't or should not, followed by be, followed by invite plus ing. Invite is a verb and followed by verb ing. Okay, once more. I really should be studying for tomorrow. I really should be studying for tomorrow. I as subject, followed by should, and followed by be, and followed by verb ing. Verbnya apa? Good. Verbnya adalah study and ing. Don't forget to put ing after verb. That is continuous tense. Do you understand so far? Great. So those examples are using for should and shouldn't in positive and negative. Positive for should sentence and negative for shouldn't or should not sentence. And how to make interrogative sentence? Bagaimana sih penggunaan should and shouldn't dalam kalimat pertanyaan atau kalimat bertanya? Now, it's easy. You just put should or shouldn't in the beginning of sentence. So, the pattern is should or shouldn't, followed by subject, and followed by be, and the last followed by verb ing. For example, the positive sentence are I really should be studying tomorrow. And how to make an interrogative sentence? Should I really be studying for tomorrow? Should followed by I, and followed by really, and followed by be, and then the last put verb in the last. Should I really be studying for tomorrow? Do you understand? Great. So that's all our material today. I'm sorry for many mistakes that I have made. Don't forget to do your assignments that I will give you on Google Form. Good luck. Bye bye.